Session 15 of Fundamentals of Financial Management of 4th semester BBA of Mangalore University. Session 15 Factors Influencing Capital Expenditure Decisions. Factors influencing capital expenditure decisions. First is urgency. Sometimes an investment is to be made due to urgency for the survival of the firm or to avoid heavy losses. In such circumstances, the proper evaluation of the proposal cannot be made through profitability tests. The example of such urgency are breakdown of some plant and machinery, fire, accidents, etc. Degree of certainty. Profitability is directly related to risk. Higher the profits, greater is the risk or uncertainty. Sometimes a project with some lower profitability may be selected due to constant flow of income as compared to another project with an irregular and uncertain flow of income. Intangible factors. Sometimes a capital expenditure has to be made due to certain emotional and intangible factors such as safety and welfare of workers, prestigious project, social welfare, goodwill of the firm, etc. Legal factors. An investment which is required by the provisions of law is solely influenced by this factor, and although the project may not be profitable, yet the investment has to be made. Availability of funds. As the capital expenditure generally requires large funds, the availability of funds is an important factor that influences the capital budgeting decisions. A project, however profitable, may not be taken for want of funds, and a project with a lesser profitability may be sometimes preferred to lesser payback period for want of liquidity. Future earnings. A project may not be profitable as compared to another today, but it may promise better future earnings. In such cases, it may be preferred to increase earnings of the firm. Obsolescence. There are certain projects which have greater risk of obsolescence than others. In case of project with high rate of obsolescence, the project with lesser payback period may be preferred to one which may have higher profitability but still longer payback period. Research and development projects. It is necessary for the long-term survival of the business to invest in research and development projects, though it may not look to be profitable investment.